Hi, I'm Josh with Qumulex, and I'm proud to welcome you to our online training center. These online trainings are full of modules and quizzes that are curated by our product and support teams. You can choose from either the Authorized Reseller training, which trains you on subjects such as installing doors and cameras, setting up rules and users, our architecture, our gateway lineup, and more. This course is approximately 3 hours in length and is self-paced. We also offer our advanced access control training, which is a deeper dive into our Qumulex enterprise panels and door kits, giving you everything you need to know from what to order for what situation, how to install them in the field, and what to expect when you unbox. The advanced access control training is approximately 1 hour to complete. Again, both courses are self-paced, and once finished, you will receive a certificate of completion, and you will be equipped to install, maintain, quote, QxControl software and hardware products, and well on your way to selling cloud to your customers. Please visit qmulex.com/training for more information or to sign up today. Thank you.